You're going out tonight?
I am. Kareem's taking me out to dinner.
Oh.
He'll be here soon.
Please don't drink, okay? You just...
Don't worry, Mom, I know. I can take care of myself.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Hello, Kareem? Are you here? Okay, I'll be there. How do I look?
You look lovely, darling.
See you soon. Don't worry if I come back late tonight, all right?
Good evening. Where are you going?
To dinner with Kareem. He came to my birthday. Do you remember him?
Yes, sure. Hi, Kareem, what's up?
I'm alright.
Is that your ride?
Don't worry, it's much stronger than it looks.
Have a good night.
Have fun, guys.
I haven't been on a motorbike in a while.
Come on, hop on. But be careful now. If you fall off, I won't even feel it.